Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Stay a while. So today, I'm just gonna jump right in it. Today we are making the viral cookies and cream cookies. You probably saw a clip of the ingredients in the beginning. So those are the main things that we'll need to make these cookies. I'll insert a clip just to show you how freaking good these things look. And like the minute I saw it, I was like, I need to have that in my mouth. So here's a clip. Don't did y'all see that? They look amazing. So I decided I'm just gonna make it. I haven't made a cooking with Kendra segment in quite a long time. So I felt like this is time and this is the one to do it with. So we're actually going to be making the cookies with cake mix. I never knew that you could do that until, of course, TikTok. We're going to be using cake mix to make these freaking cookies. And I'm so excited. It's going to be so good. And yeah, let's just get right into it because I want to eat these so bad. All right, let's go. I smell them and they smell delicious. Okay, so I let them cool down a lot because they were soft, but like, look how beautiful these are. Like, I feel like I made a crumble cookie. Don't play with it. So I'm gonna eat one. They're still hot, but like, you know, I'm still gonna eat it. Look how beautiful. I like how like textured and thick it is. Yeah. Okay, let's try it. Oh my gosh. I can't eat that whole cookie. But that right there, if I could give it a rating out of 10, I would give it 11. That is good. That's probably like the best cookie I've ever had. Like, it tastes, like, it definitely tastes like a cake, sort of. I don't know. It's giving crumble cookie though. Like, I'm pretty sure they use cake mix in their cookies. They have to, because who thought of that? But those are good. It's like sweet, crunchy, but like soft in the inside. But it's really sweet. Like, it's really sweet. But I like really sweet stuff. But like, when I drink sweet stuff, I have to have a water. But yeah, those are good. I hope this video inspired you to make some cookies and cream cookies. Like, just look at these. Like, they're so beautiful. I wish I had like a cookie tray to put them in. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment. Do whatever you gotta do to interact. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. I think the next video I'm gonna post is a vlog. Then I'm going to New York in a couple days, so I'm probably gonna post that vlog as well. We got a big week coming up, so stay tuned. I'm so glad I got to make these cookies, and I'm so glad I got to film it. I'm so glad you're able to watch it. If you do make these cookies, please let me know how they are. It was so easy. You really only needed like 5 things, really. It's just a really nice, fun thing to do, and it's like a quick like cookie snack. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the night, and I hope something amazing happens to you. Bye. How do you feel about the cookie?
I need a brush.
How do you feel about the cookie?
Oh, this is bussin'.
Bussin'?
It's just pure like joy in like a cookie, like, bruh.
It's not too sweet.
Wow,
Yeah. Okay.